good show.
There's 6 of them. Unfortunately, you can only get 6 for that because it's gone way down to the nets. Should have been more.
That was an outrageous hit, wasn't it? Just such a good swing, has Afridi. He's been doing this for nearly 15 years. Just a slower ball. He waited on it ever so slightly. Looks so balanced through the shot. There it is. Whack. 97 metres.
सबसे पहले लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट और शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।
He's one of the biggest hitters in the game, and he has been for a long time.
Oh, a chance to catch again for someone in the crowd. No, vacant territory. Shahid Afridi at his best.
If you want to catch, you need to go to the car park. He's hitting it that far. It's the 73rd six of this tournament, and he's picked it up again. Another slower ball, little leg cutter held back. I think Ravi Rampal is better suited just getting it right up into that block hole. If he keeps delivering those slower balls, they're going to keep doing that.
This time Afridi, much needed for the Pakistani star all-rounder and the Patriots.
Wasn't the most powerful shot, didn't get it cleanly, but got enough of it. Right in the rim, Shahid Afridi gave all the time to open his arms. Krishma Santuki.
Boom Boom Afridi. Goes for 6. It's a hero maximum for Afridi first ball.
Did he take guard? I'm not sure he did. I didn't see that. He just went out there and stood and swung ball 1. Wasn't quite full enough. Enabled Afridi to get underneath that. That's a shot we've seen him play many times over his career. Beautiful connection. He's clubbed that. Good sound off the bats. Afridi's going to bank 6 runs to sign off that over. 11 from it. 78 for 4. That's pretty much what they need to get to that 150 mark. Right out of the screws that for a hero maximum. It's his chosen area, Afridi, these days. Often when he tries to go down the ground, that doesn't quite work.
That's what Afridi does. Has he got enough? He has tonight. Another hero maximum. The first one for Afridi. Good to finish the over. The 7th over is down at 65 for 2. It's going to be hard and straight and too much, too big. Another maximum. His second one up the last delivery. It's 14 from it. It's 104 for 3.
सबसे पहले लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट और शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।